Ulampang yang Dorbar tawan gejelau ba amet ba lengdo haka kat santrik urampang arhajar arpuar. Ulelo me kejingelang banekran ha kebaidai ba kejing temu ban penlong ya ke Dorbar Mang Tyngka ba ha kejingelang larai ba ke Dorbar Mang Tyngka jong kejela ke besposngi kan sedang naduk ke sautrik Lber hadu ka katnyo trik Lber arhajar arpuar. Hagani kejingelang ke belalum da ulampang lawan bani shimbenta da usembut menteri rang ba kejela ba Preston Tensong unong elam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul M Sangma bad ki MLA ki bekentup u ba balajit senrem i Dr. Amperin Lengdo ki he officer bad kiwe-kiwe. Letu baha kesengi sedang jong Dorbar on wan ban ai jingkran da ulat kejela usat tiapal malik bad hakani kejok sengi anwan ra aha ke Dorbar ya ki ordinance notification report rules but regulation bad kiwe-kiwe. Bad kan donru kejing ai jingkran sengulem nagi dikot jong Dorbar na kebenta kitu kinong mi khmat kejela bad kari ki bala klatno. Hagini ki shposngi jong Dorbar Mang Tyngka labha andrusngi ya ka government business bad sausngi na kebenta ki private members business. Bad hagesngi bakat do kata ka katnyo trik Lber kande gesngi ban pan jengkershan nagi dikot jong yang Dorbar ban menjur ya ka Mang Tyngka jong kejela. Ha kawai pat kaliang uba amet ba lengdo ubalong presiden keseng UDP ulong ba keseng ka kemilenti bahag election jong ke MLA arhajar arpulai. Kindon laipo waduk lai pesangut ki kertong ke UDP ki ban job ki election. U presiden ke UDP ulong bakladon ke jingpen sengau jong kinong yalam ke UDP na nong krem ban peniang no ada uba lambor malnyang na keseng UDP. Nrei on hak ban yat kat kum kerukom trekam jong keseng ban ulong ru ba om dan jengtip ai ke jingkwa uba bindo lanong ban ekonik election na ke nong krem constituency.
We decided that the budget session will commence on the 4th of March, Friday of this year, and it will continue till the 17th of March 2022. And that is where we're going to have about 7 days government business and about 3 days private members business. Because of this pandemic, it has really hampered the progress of the work which we were supposed to complete it by this March, in fact, by this March, latest by March. Well, we had planned and we have kept that in mind that the budget session will be held in that new assembly building. But sad to say that because of this pandemic, again, I would like to stress that that has really slowed down the progress of the work. And we have again revised the target date for the completion of the entire construction. And we could see that sometime by end of June or mid-July we should be able to complete. So thereafter we will be having some about a month time or 20 days which will be commissioning and testing for all the things that we have done. And we intend to have the autumn session in the new assembly building.
Let us respond to that after we have collectively decided what action to take. And right now, this freedom that we feel is something which is a very new version of our service through the party to the people. So we will enjoy this freedom of 12 days and then we will sit down to discussing an action and a path forward. We do not accept anybody's ideology except that of the MDA and its lead partner, which is the NPP. They may have their own perception of this ideology that they so call because it is actually not in the purview of the group of 5 to decide on the extent of this so-called command. So we are not going to react to that because at the end of the day, we look at the coalition partner, lead partner, which is the NPP, and we thought that it would be in the fitness of things to be part of government in this last leg prior to 2023. So other parties can say what they want. We are not even an authority to respond to that question.